Today we are looking at this little guy right here. You guys see this? This is the Telesin, one of the many Telesin battery chargers that are out there for GoPros. And this one comes with a few things which I think are actually pretty cool. We'll talk about some of the features, plus we'll put it up against some of the actual GoPro batteries to see how well these batteries that come with this actually do in regards to how long recording they get. For those of us that have a GoPro, and it can be all the way back to like 7, 8, all the way up to 12, Telesin has a lot of cool little accessories, from batteries to remotes to chargers to whatever, for GoPro camera. Now I'm looking here, of course, these are for the 9, 10, 11, and possibly 12 for some of them, because they all kind of take the same stuff. Telesin actually sent us this, and they've sent us a lot of gear because they like to support us, and we appreciate that. But this is the product right here, and this is the Telesin Allinbox portable storage charger for GoPro batteries 9 through 12. Just this piece here by itself, you're looking at about $27. Now you can get this with, I believe, batteries. 3 TF plus 3 batteries is what it can hold. Now the first thing that I thought was cool about this is not only can it hold batteries, but it can actually hold your micro SD cards. And it says 3, and if you look at this picture here, you're like, well, it has 2. But that's because, I don't know if you guys can see inside here. Possibly you can see inside here. If I tilt this like so, see right there? Right there? This, if it's plugged into your computer, actually becomes a micro SD card reader. Yeah, when you're traveling and you want to just bring kind of one device and you don't want to bring maybe a reader, or you're like me and you've traveled somewhere and you forgot your SD card reader, this can be handy. Now, of course, it can't read full-size SD cards, but for your GoPro, you'd be good to go. So fast charging, 2.5 hours to charge to full capacities. Now, of course, that's using their batteries. High read and write speed, smooth data transfer, right? 1 gig files in 1 minute, IP54 rated. And this is cool too, because it does have like a little lock on the front, so this isn't going to open. Two things that's good for. Number one is waterproofing, water resistance. I'm going to say I wouldn't necessarily throw this in the ocean. For me, this gets put on the back of a motorcycle a lot, so if water does for whatever reason come in there, or if I'm changing batteries, I know that this should be protected. Number two is that if I have this, which is a lot of times what I do, I have this plugged into a battery brick, this is not going to open, the batteries aren't going to come out, and so I know that they'll be charging. I do believe you can get this, and I'm not 100% sure, but I do believe one of the options is I think you can get this with batteries. If not, this is the batteries I believe that I'm using right here. If I take this out, does it look like that one? Yeah, that looks like that one right there, right? This is their standard battery. Now they do make a stamina battery, which I'm guessing would be similar to GoPro's actual enduro battery or endurance battery. They're long, they're bigger battery. And as you can see in here, if I pull this out, it does no problems charging both normal GoPro batteries as well as their endurance batteries, because a lot of us have the actual endurance batteries or standard GoPro batteries, because of course your camera came with them, so you want to make sure that it's going to charge those, which it does. I actually put these batteries, for one, up against each other just to see, because I was curious to see how well they would do. And so you guys are aware, the actual GoPro standard normal battery, the one that you would get with most of us, when we're buying like a GoPro, I got about 1 hour and 12 minutes is what I got for recording time. Now that's start and just let it run. The GoPro Enduro battery, I got 1 hour and 29 minutes. So of course more, which is good. And then the Telesin battery, this one here, their Telesin battery for, I believe it's for the 9, 10, 11, 12s, you can get it for that, came in at 1 hour and 16 minutes. So it was kind of in between the two. But the fact is that it's a less expensive option. You're looking at, I think if you go in here, one battery by itself, $17.84. This is US pricing. They do have the fact that you can buy the bigger batteries. But, oh yeah, see right here, what is this? If I click on that, there it is. This is what you want, because that's what this is. The Telesin All-In portable box, and I got mine one charger with 2 batteries, 46 bucks. And now it shows you here with 3 batteries. Just realize 2 batteries, you can get it with 3 batteries for 58, but for me, I had 2 actual GoPro batteries, so the most that I could actually charge in here is 1 in the camera, 3 in here. I'm good anyway, and I don't think I will ever run through 4 batteries in a day. Like that's like 5-6 hours of recording. That's on a GoPro. That's, for me, that's just not happening. Anyways, the other thing that you can see here, and I'll just kind of show this, is this is, of course, and it's all got like a weather sealing. Now, it's not perfect, so again, I wouldn't throw it in the bathtub or the lake or whatever, but it is USB-C. So if I took a cable like so, if I take a micro SD card, if I can find one. All right, let's grab one of these. This is plugged into my computer, but what I'm hoping is, and you can see there, these batteries are all, right, they're all charged. One of these will go red if they're actually charging, which is kind of nice. And then you just take this and pop it in the top here. You guys will be able to see this, ready? And just pop. You get a little blue light and it flickers and boom, up it came. So excellent. Open this up and there you go. I'll just bring it over here so you guys can see it. There it is, right? That's all the stuff that showed up. So I could grab any of this. That's a decent, let's grab a big one. This is almost a gig file. I'm just gonna drag it here. You guys may or may not even be able to see this. There it is right there. It's copying super fast. That's pretty awesome, because honestly, if you want a card reader and this all in one, plus, like I said, you can put extra ones up there. That's cool. All right, guys, I'll leave links to Telesin's website down below if you guys are interested in something like this, because if you have a GoPro, you need to charge your batteries. Could be a cool option. Waterproofing, also a card reader. Also, you can get it with batteries. Not as good as the Enduro batteries, but so far, just as good or better than the actual GoPro battery. Kind of a win. I think we're gonna try to get one of the Enduro batteries so that we can test it, or the Telesin Enduro batteries, to see if we can test it up against these batteries and the actual GoPro batteries to see how well they do. All right, stay tuned for that video. Later.